Just arrived to the winter camp. As you can see, it's raining a tad. So we have our tinder we grabbed on the way in. Some power, new radio.
All rock and roll, Q104, it's not a free ride. 40 minutes of non-stop rock. And no regrets with Tom Cochran on the cue.
So we got a little bit of a just started pouring, so I will switch the settings on my phone after this video and should fix your problems. This is kind of our salvage up here now on the hill. I mean, we do have a lot of wood, as you can see. This camp is socked in 365 degrees with woods. And a lake right there. So we are close to the lake. Big Hill Fish Point, man. Boxing Day. Extreme winds. We're kind of surprised it was 12 degrees, so we said let's do it as soon as we get in here.
I'd rather it be minus 10, to be honest with you. Oh, this would be dry. Smelling.
Santa found us both, so still on a big hill here, a little bit. So we're going to work on a little mini design here. We're trying to get the fire closer in because theoretically we are going to build a structure here soon, like not this one. This will come down. So we're just going to start it here. We're going to push it in more and then more and then more. So we're going to have an authentic Christmas dinner, and we'll go from there.